Dinner ko guys. Bean sprout. Parang omelette. Pork chop, okra, and baked fish with sausawan. Meron ka balunggay namon ki. Tapos ingot na kapayas. Sa mga saging. May lupo man kami. Ay ano dyan man? Kapayas! Kapayas? Sako! Tapos mang naswado lang ako ka. Ano? Tangkong. May bakal ako ka dyan. Nami tangkong. O diba? Kagmay lang pay namin siya. This guy got a string tied the baby in front of him. Can't see right there.
Oh yeah, I'm coming around.
Naswa ako dun ang malunggay namin. Para man na rin sinilap. Ano ba ito?
Kuhay.
Kuhay na. Kuhay. Julian na spam. Pinakbit. Sunny-side up egg. Spam. And rice. Here's my low carb meal. Ano ganit siya? Talbos. Salad. Giniling. Grilled chicken. Okay, let's eat. And there's dinner natin. 2 eggs with malunggay. Yam leaves salad, grilled bangus, and chicken feet. Dragon fruit! Wow, 5 kilos, you guys. Delivery, free delivery too. Lunch, oh. Low carb meal. Oh. Sinigang na bangus with hipon, kangkong, labanos, and adobong sitaw with baboy and egg. There's a whole bunch of papaya seedlings came up right here with our balunggay. Needs water. It did not rain for quite a while. This one. Here's the classic broom again. Guimaras got checkpoints everywhere, every day, every minute. Mahal na pa lang to. Here's my low carb lunch. 2 sunny-side up egg, 3 okra. I love you with ang okra. May bangus, that's bangus. Bean sprout and adobo, atay and pork. No carb, low carb.
This turns up, doesn't it? Is it supposed to be like this?
There's a handle on the side too, you can hold on.
I don't have
Anymore. Here's my local breakfast. Parang dinner, parang lunch na rin. Pinakbet, adobong kangkong, fried egg, Hungarian sausage, half, a little bit, half, and avocado seed. Here's my breakfast. It's currently 10 minutes before 10 o'clock, so this is going to be my morning snacks and lunch na later. And this is antak, kalabasa, ano pa ba? May lupo, may balunggay, may lupoy, may saluyot, tatang, yum. Tapos may tanggap. He don't, how you call this? Recognize the line, no? Riding in between the lines. 2 lanes. Here's the dinner, hard-boiled egg, pusit with tinola. Yan, no, maraming to guys. Maraming tangkong na halalabon. And guys, my breakfast na miss ko ang aking tuyo with sausawan. Ayan, omelette, egg omelette with loko. Yan, locos, puset. Let's eat. Pero yung rice ko, shirataki rice yan. Kaya, daw ko na din. And so today is Saturday. We are going to Iloilo, cross the water, to go to where? City Hardware. Look at some stuff.
Yeah.
And then going to Auntie. And meron kaming baon. And we have, I pack up some baon, snacks. Here they are. Fish crackers. I got hard-boiled eggs. I got, what's this? The Hungarian sausage. See? Oh, diba? May hotdog na tender juicy. And then, I got my full wheat bread. And I have this, Daddy. I brought this in case people.
We're not going on a picnic.
And I got my avocado right there. And these are the oatmeal cookies. And I got my dragon fruit. See? Steve said we're not going for a picnic. And I got a whole jug of water. I broke the handle of my, I know. And I got my tea. I'll show you my tea, guys. So I got cinnamon stick in there and cloves. And I squeezed calamansi in there. See, it's yum. Taste good. Smells good. And guys, let's dragon fruit mukbang. And I forgot forks. They climb it. They're like monkeys. Roro traffic to Guimaras on a Saturday. I think this is just a thing here. People ride in the middle lane. See? It's flooding in Leganes. Oh? Wow. There's no rain. Oh, even the school. Elementary school. They gonna get wet.
Whoa. Who wants to go swimming with me? I do. Let's get wet together.
Buddy, be careful with your under thing.
Yeah.
My goodness.
It's like waves.
There's a flood.
It's like an ocean. It's so long. I want to swim now.
Wow, see, right here, water coming fast.
It's so long.
Plus the water park somewhere.
Is it?
I think so.
It looks like an ocean. It looks like it's so long. And the moving cars look like it's like how like.
I don't want to be in those tsunamis.
Oh wow.
The
Looks
river
like-
flooded.
There's no river there. It's a rice field. And it's 3:56 to be our lunch.
First meal for me.
Yeah, they had Burger King and I'm getting 2 nuggets and my avocado and my egg. And I think I'm going to eat some hot dog. I'm going to eat my avocado first. Just well,
Looks for.
They're out there. They tied it to your thing.